Here we come to the back end elevator at the Highlands at Houston Center in Houston, Texas, which is formerly known as the Shops at Houston Center. This is an updated take on this elevator as well, and you can see me in the mirror. Hi. This elevator is quite slow, as you can see here. And I think I hear it coming. And here it is. Oh, they redid the cab on this one as well. And we got no fan as well, so we can hear the motor. We got a cab view. These are your Series 4 fixtures. There's no foam. I want to let you listen to this motor going up. Go back down to 3 went in there. And the door close button works. I really like that. Alright, here we are at 3. Look at this, they totally renovated this place. Alright, there it goes. Look in the mirror. Hi. Alright. There it goes, and that's it.